Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK Unit 2 revision. Topic is major religion of the world. So now we are going to learn in detail that in world there are many types of religions. Major religion of the world. So here we can see there are many types of religion in the world. So symbol of the religion. Here we can find there are many types of symbol of religion. So Islam. So which is the symbol of the Islam religion? It is a crescent moon and the star. So here we can find the moon and the star. It is a symbol of Islam religion. And then next, Judaism. So star of divide. So here we can find that a Judaism religion symbol is star of divide. And then Christianity. So cross. A symbol of Christianity is cross. Here we can find the symbol of cross. And then Hinduism. So a symbol of Hinduism religion is Om. Here we can find the symbol of Om. So it is a represent Hinduism. And then Buddhism. So Dharma Chakra. Here we can find a Dharma Chakra. So a symbol of Dharma Chakra is represented a Buddhism religion. And then Sikhism. So Khanda. Here we can find a symbol of Khanda. So it is represent Sikhism. So here we can find a religion and their symbol, and they represented symbols are represented by the religion. First, here we can see a Christianity. So we will going to learn in detail that which types of religions in the world. First is Christianity. Christianity. So, Christianity is the world's largest religion with about 2 billion followers worldwide. It is based on the teaching of Jesus Christ. So, who lived in Holy Land 2000 years ago. So, throughout its missionary activity, Christianity has spreaded to most part of globe. So, Christianity is the world's largest religion with about 2 billion followers worldwide, and it is based on teaching of Jesus Christ, who lived in the Holy Land 2000 years ago. So, the Christianity is the world's largest religions, and Christianity spread to most part of globe. So, Christianity, the cross. Here we can find the photograph of cross. So, the cross is symbol of Christianity. Christianity, the major symbol used for Christianity is the cross, and this is because Jesus died on the cross, and after he died, he came back to life. So the cross is symbol of Christianity because Jesus Christ dies on the cross, and after he died he came back in life, and the cross is a symbol of life and death. So, cross is a symbol of life and death. So, what is the symbol of cross? So, cross is a symbol of life and death. And some Christians like to wear a cross so that people know they belong to that faith group or Christianity. Some Christians like to wear a cross, and that's why we people know that these people is belong to the Christianity. So the Christianity is a very large religions in the world. And Jesus Christ, here we can find a photograph of Jesus Christ. So the Jesus Christ is a father of a Christianity, and according to Christian, Jesus is considered the incarnation of God. His teaching are an example for living a more spiritual life. So, Christians believe that he died for a sins of people and rose from the dead. So, the Jesus Christ is a belong to the Christianity religion, and according to Jesus Christ, he is a believe that died for a science, and Jesus Christ is a most influence of Christianity. And then church. Here we can find a photograph of church. So church is a Christian Detroit in the Christian religion community or as a whole or body or organization of a Christianity. Christian believes that the Greek word ecclesia, which comes to mean church. Church is the place where Christian people pray, and it is a church was originally applied in the classical period to the official assembly of citizens. So church is the place where Christian people go to pray, and it means it was originally applied of a classical period official assembly of the citizens. So, you all are understand about Christianity. So, children, now we are going to learn a next religion, and it is a Buddhism. So, here we can see a photograph of Gautam Buddha. So, what is Buddhism? So, Buddhism is a religion based on the teaching of Siddhartha Gautam Buddha. So, he came to call the Buddha, which means Siddhartha Gautam Buddha is a represented Buddhism, and what means Buddha means what? So it means awakened one. After he experienced a profound realization of the nature of life, death, and existence, in he In English, Buddha was said that to enlightened, although in Sanskrit is Bodhi, awakened. So, Buddhism is represent nature of life, death and existence, and Gautam Buddha is represented Buddhism. So, Buddhism is based on a nature of life, death, and existence. Here we can see a photograph of Gautam Buddha. So, Gautam Buddha is represented Buddhism, and Buddhism was founded by Siddhartha Gautam in northern India around 560 BCE. So, Gautama was born into a wealthy Hindu family, and but he renounced his wealth to seek spiritual enlightenment. So Gautam Buddha is represented Buddhism. Here we can see a monastery. So what is monastery? Monastery means a place where Buddhist religion go and pray. So Buddhist temple or Buddhist monastery is the place of worship for a Buddhist, the followers of Buddhism. They include the structure called a Vaira, Chaitya, Stupa, Vat, Pagoda in different regions and languages. So, traditional Buddhist temples are designed in inspire inner and outer peace. So, here we can see a monastery. So, it is a place for worship. Buddhist people go there and worship there. Dharma Chakra or Dharma Wheel. So here we can find a Dharma Wheel or Dharma Chakra. So Dharma Chakra is symbol of Buddhism. Buddhist symbol of Renai's creation. So represent the eightfold path Buddhist follow to achieve nirvana, said to have sharp edges to cut through ignorance. So the hub stands for a discipline, the essential core of meditation and practice. So Dharma Chakra is represent a discipline and meditation. So here we can see a Dharma Chakra. So in a Buddhist religion, Dharma Chakra is a symbol of Buddhism and it is represent a stand for discipline and essential core of meditation and practice. So childrens, now we are going to learn our next slide and next religion. It is Islam. So Islam is a second most popular religion in the world with over 1,000 million followers. It is a more often throughout of as a complete way of life rather than a religion. Those who follow Islam are called Muslims, and Muslim believes that there is only one God and called Allah. So Muslim people believe in Allah, and it is also called Islamic people symbol. So the crescent moon has become a symbol of Islam. Here we can find a crescent moon. So it's all are a symbol of Islam, but its meaning is debated. Islam has no scared religious symbol as the cross in the Christianity or divide star in Judaism. So Islam has no sacred religious symbol as the cross in Christianity and divide star in Judaism. So now next slide, that where do Muslims worship? Though in a mosque, the Muslim go for a worship. The Muslim buildings for a communal worship is called a mosque, and Muslim often refer to the mosque by its Arabic name masjid. The words come from Arabic for place of prostration. So, it is also called a masjid in a Arabic word. So, the Muslim people go for a worship in a mosque. So, now we are going to learn next, and it is a Sikhism. So, basis of Sikhism, it is the world's youngest religion. Its founded was born in 1469. So, the Sikhs have 10 gurus, and the Sikh is called God Vaheguru. So, Guru Granth Sahib is their holy book, and the Sikhs worship only one God in his abstract form. According to the Sikh belief, God is the eternal truth. Their common solutions Sat Sri Akal. So, Sikhism is based on a truth and abstract form of God. So, they call they speak a Sat Sri Akal. Sikh means seekers of truth. So, fifth largest world religion. So, Sikhism is the fifth largest world religion. 10 gurus, beginning with Guru Nanak in 1469 AD. They believe in only one God and his name is truth. So, Sikhism believe in a one God and it is a truth. So, Guru Nanak is represented Sikhism. He born on 1469 to Hindu family. However, rejected outward signs of religion, international attitude towards God is most important things. Had a religious experience which confirmed that there was a one God and religions should look past their difference and focus in the search for a true God. Because of Sikh believes that there is a one God and all peoples are created by God, equality and religious tolerance are very important. So, Guru Nanak is pictured here with both Hindu symbol and Muslim prayer bread. Why do you think this? So, Guru Nanak is represented a Sikhism. Then Khanda, so here we can see a symbol of Sikhism. In Sikhism, the Khanda is made up of three keys symbol. The double-edged sword in the middle links to the knowledge of a God, and the inner circle reflects the oneness of God, the link to humanity. So the outer sword represents truth and willingness and preserve what is right. So the khanda is represented as so many things. Okay, now we are going to learn next slide that here we can see a Gurudwara. So Gurudwara is a place where Sikh people go and come together and it is a Punjabi word and the residents of the Guru. It is a place where Sikh people go and pray. So now next is Hinduism. So here we can see a photograph of Krishna and Radha. So it is a represented Hinduism. So, Hinduism is the oldest major religion started 1000s of years ago. So, it group of people called Aryans traveled Asia, conquered towards the adopted their culture and religions. So Hindu is the very oldest religions and its beginning in eventually grow into the Hinduism. No single founder worship many gods. So in Hinduism, people worship many gods and there are many sects and that worship one or another god. So Om, here we can see a Om. So Om is represented a Hinduism and it is a symbol of Hinduism. The major symbol used for Hinduism, here we can see Om. So Om is represent Hinduism. A major symbol used for Hinduism. In the symbol of Om is a special word said at the beginning and end of the prayer. So, in a beginning or in the end, in Hindu people say Om. So, it is a made up of Sanskrit letter. Sanskrit is a very old language. Om is made up of Sanskrit language and it is a very old language. So, as the temple, here we can see a photograph of temple. So, as the temple become the center of the worship with sacrifice playing an important, even a cultural role within ancient Judaism, laws and the obligations were established in order to accommodate sacrifice and requirement imposed on the Judean community both within a ancient and presenting and the diaspora. So the Hinduism is a very old and also a very old religion and oldest major religion. So in today's lecture we can learn about many types of religions and their symbols and their uh, worship place and also various types of gurus. So Here we can find the major religion symbol, and symbol is represented many things, and here we see that Christianity is belong to many things like life and death. So the cross is represented life and death, and then we can see that Jesus Christ is the represented Christianity, and also he belonged to in spiritual life. And then we can see that Christian people go in church for a worship. And then Buddhism. So here we can see that Gautam Buddha is represented Buddhism, and he is also believe in awakened of one or nature of life and death and existence. So Gautam Buddha is represented nature and life, nature of life, death, and existence. And Gautama was born in Hindu family and wealthy family. And also we can see here that Buddhist people is in a monastery go for a worship. It is a place where Buddhist people go and worship. And then we can find that Dharma Chakra or Dharma wheel is represented a stand for discipline and essential core of meditations, and sharp edge to cut through ignorance. And then we can see the Islam. So Islamic religions is also called Muslim people, and they believe in one God, and it is a Allah. And here we can see a symbol crescent moon, and a a star. And in a Muslim people mosque in go for a worship, and it is also called in Arabic in a masjid, place for prostitutions. And then we can learn about Sikhism. So Sikhism world's youngest religions, and it is belong to a Guru Nanak, represented by Guru Nanak. And Guru Nanak is also a here we can see a picture of Guru Nanak. And then Khanda is represented, Khanda symbol is represented many things. And in a Gurudwara, Sikh people go for a worship, and also a Guru Granth Sahib. It is a holy book for them. And then in last we can learn about Hinduism. So Hinduism is a oldest major religions, and it is a belong to a worship for many gods. And in a Hinduism, Om is a symbol of Hinduism, and it is represented by Hindu people, and it is a Sanskrit word. And in a temple, Hindu people go for a worship. So children, in today's lecture, revision lecture, we all learn about religions. So children, hope you all learn and enjoy this video. So I see you next time. And also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe. Thank you students.